guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tushnita, and if you can see from the below, this video is about my birthday vlog. And I started vlogging very late. I slept very late. I slept late yesterday night. So let me give you a quick recap what I did yesterday.
Up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So today is my birthday. I've cut the cake, I've blown out the candles, and behind is the decor. I'll show the better version tomorrow at the perfect daylight. It's kind of I don't know, like the light is not perfect at this point of time, so I'll show it tomorrow to you guys. So I want to tell you something very important to you guys, is that birthdays are always special. It is the day when you came into this world. So do it for yourself. Do not expect from anyone. If there is someone who can plan your birthday, then it's great. If not, don't get sad or disheartened thinking that there's no one to celebrate your birthday with, or there's nobody to decor your birthday. Like, do not feel disheartened. Do it for yourself. Plan your own birthday. Like, celebrate, have fun is what I have done. I've planned my whole birthday. I have planned like how I want it to be. I've ordered the type of cake I want and the type of birthday decor I want. I've planned everything. Of course, my husband helped me in the decoration. He pumped up the balloons, he sticked all those ribbons, or you can say curtains, then those fans. So yeah, he helped me a lot in all those. Apart from that, I pampered myself with gifts. My husband pampered me with gifts. So this is how I have planned my birthday. Like, I planned how I want to dress up for my special day. We are planning to go out tomorrow. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. So that is the decoration behind. So let me show you properly. So everything was done by my husband. Obviously I helped him, but yeah, he was such a great help. This is where I had cut my cake, and this is where I sat yesterday. So yeah. So I got this decoration from Amazon. I'll put the link below. It's not cheap like the way it was mentioned in the Amazon reviews. It's really good. I really loved it. Also, I loved how it turned out, how my room turned out to be. And coming to the cake, I got the cake from Tea Bakes. I'll put the link also for Tea Bakes. Like, you can contact them on Instagram. And they are actually, they have just started recently, but they have been baking for long years. So, but they're only delivering at Hyderabad. So if you are staying in Hyderabad, you know where to go. Yeah, like, I love how it turned out, how my cake turned out. I just gave the design to them and they made accordingly. So you can like ask for any customized cakes to them. And coming to taste, I really got that home, like ghar wala cake ka feeling, you know. So I really loved it, and I'm sure you guys gonna love it too if you guys gonna order it from there. And so today's plan is to go outside, have lunch, and I'll keep you guys updated. If I don't forget to vlog, I'll keep you guys updated. And yeah, I'll just go and get ready. So I'm done with my makeup, and it's a dress that I'm wearing. It's a leather dress from H&M, and now I'll be doing some birthday photo shoots, and these are the pictures that I have shot. So we are going out for lunch, and if you can see, I have changed my dress into something casual, a purple top and black jeans. So the place which we were going initially, that got cancelled because it was far, and in this point of time, like in this COVID situation, we didn't want to go somewhere very far and risk it. So going somewhere nearby, and yeah, and also my husband wanted us to go casual. So yeah, this is how it is, and I'll keep you guys updated.
In the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go.
So we just reached home, and like I said that we went out for lunch. So guess what happened? We went there and it started raining, and the place had the outdoor seating, and the place was really pretty, and the best thing was, thankfully, it had umbrella over the table, so it kind of saved us. But the best thing was the rain and the hot chocolate combo. Like post lunch we ordered hot chocolate. It was amazing. Like it was cold and we were having hot chocolate. Like it was really great. Like that combination was amazing. So yeah, that's what happened. And while coming, we got drenched in rain because we went by bike. And yeah, that's it. And now we came back, and let's see what is there for me like in the evening. Also, I was thinking of showing you guys the gifts that I got, but then I feel that the video will get stretched. So probably I'll shoot another video like on my birthday haul. So yeah. So I just had my dinner. I was craving for Chinese, so we ordered that. बहुत ज़्यादा खा लिया, and now I'm all full. Also, I'm very tired and exhausted. Probably you can see it from my face because the entire day was crazy. It was fun. I enjoyed a lot. So yeah, that's it for today. Like that's for the entire birthday. And thank you for all your lovely wishes, like all the love that you have shown it to me, guys. I love you all, and yeah, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So until then,